Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 27th June 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, regarding yesterday's Indian market, as most of us know, Nifty opened flat. However, as day progressed, it extended its gain and reached the all-time high value for the 43rd time this year so far, 23,889, and closed around 140 to 150 points positive. Here, the entire 140 points positive was contributed by just 3 stocks, 1 Reliance, 2 Airtel and 3 ICICI Bank, out of which Reliance alone contributed for 90 points positive. Regarding the reason, in yesterday's video, we just discussed this, but only for 30 seconds or less. Like I said, yesterday there was a telecom spectrum auction, so telecom companies will be on focus. But at that time, I didn't realize that will have this much impact. I mean, basically, Indian government was planning to raise near 1 lakh crore rupees through 5G auction. But the total amount that was bet yesterday, it just 11,340 crore rupees. I mean, only 1/10 of the government expected amount, out of which around 6,850 crore rupees spent by Airtel, 3,500 crore rupees by Vodafone Idea, and just 975 crore rupees by Jio. So together, total 11,340 crore rupees. Here, it's conveying two things: no Adani, no Elon Musk, or no new players in the telecom space. It's just existing players, Jio, Airtel, and Vodafone Idea. Because of that, these three companies got the pricing power. Second, as I said, they spend only 1/10 of the capex, which again saves lot of money. So all the telecom stocks yesterday rallied. I mean, Reliance increased near 4%, Airtel increased around 3%, and Vodafone Idea increased 5%. Then about ICICI Bank, yesterday during our market trading time, Jefferies released a complete analysis report and they said they are maintaining the buy rating with around 12.5% upside potential. Again, they cited various reasons such as favorable valuations, and ICICI Bank got the deposit growth of 20%, which is best among the large banks, etc., which in turn made the ICICI Bank stock to increase over 1%. Other than that, overall market was not that much positive. For the second day in a row, the number of stocks that advanced was less than the number of stocks which decreased. I mean, it's 47% increased whereas 49% decreased. About institution wise, it looks like FII again started their selling spree. I mean, only on the last week ahead video, I said FII started to buy, as last week they net bought for over 14,000 crore rupees. But in the next 4 days, they completely turned. At present in June month, as a cumulative, they were net sellers. And yesterday alone, FII net sold for 3,525 crore rupees, whereas DI supported the market and net bought for 5,100 crore rupees. So those were the quick takeaway from yesterday's market. Then coming to US market, at present it's kind of waiting for the PC inflation data, which will be due tomorrow. However, exactly like India, US market also got big index heavy weightage stock specific impact. I mean, Amazon share price increased near 4%, as they said they're going to launch Temu-like section where they plan to direct shipping products from China. Then Apple share price increased 2% since the world's second largest crypto exchange agreed to use the Apple Pay for their transaction. And Tesla share price increased near 5% since Goldman Sachs maintains the buy rating, which then they said as per Tesla's conference, Tesla expects to reduce the cost of goods to $20,000 US from present $40,000 US, which in turn will reduce the Model 3 price to below $35,000 US, which then will help the higher sales kind of. So basically, because of these three heavy weightage stocks rally, both S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed positive. I mean, in the end, Dow Jones closed flat, S&P 500 up by 0.16%, and Nasdaq increased 0.48%. In case of VIX, it dropped 2% and moved around 12.5. Here, please note, US market closed positive because of the stock specific reason. So, global momentum is paused and not positive yet. About oil, surprisingly, US inventories increased by 3.6 million barrels against the analyst expectation of 2 million barrels reduction, which in turn reduces the oil price by over 1%, but then it recovered most of the loss. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading around 80.75 US dollars per barrel and Brent crude closed near 84.5 US dollars per barrel. Regarding Indian ADR, I don't think it's a fresh movement, rather ADR just reacted to the Indian market. As it is, Wipro and HDFC Bank closed around flat, whereas ICICI Bank closed positive less than 0.5% and Infosys dropped around 0.7%. So basically, according to me, it doesn't convey anything. About GIFT Nifty, today early morning it closed at 22,798, equating it with the spot market. It's indicating the gap down opening of 50 to 70 points. Those were the things happened yesterday in the global market. Now let's discuss the new India stock related info. First of all, for everyone's information, today is Nifty REJIG, or we can say simply Nifty rebalancing. As per new SEBI's index rebalancing framework guidelines, I don't think the REJIG will bring many major changes with big volume impact. However, we can see the impact on the stock price when the weightage change means. If required, please pause and have a look. As per Nuvama, these are the 4 stocks expected to have fund inflow because of today's rebalancing. Kotak Mahindra Bank, NTPC, ITC and Bharti Airtel, these 4 stocks expects to have inflow of from 300 to 600 crore rupees on each share. Whereas on the other hand, HDFC Bank, BEL, L&T and Reliance Industries, those 4 expects to have fund outflow of between 100 to 700 crore rupees. So these were the quick takeaway regarding Nifty's rebalancing. Then second, S&P Global Rating has upgraded the outlook of the Adani port stock to positive from stable and also reaffirmed the previous rating BBB-. Then third, infrastructure firm Mega Engineering won the contract worth of 12,800 crore rupees for the power generation plant. So today Adani Ports and Mega Engineering both stock will be on focus. As a summary, US market closed positive with the help of some selected stocks. However, the momentum is not at all improved. As a consequence, at present, US future market is trading slightly in the negative side. In addition, Indian ADR also indicating the flat opening, whereas in contrast, GIFT Nifty indicating gap down opening of 50 to 70 points. Just a bit of caution, as most of us know, today is the monthly expiry and also election month expiry, so there is a high chance market will have some related volatility. Anyway, moving on. Yesterday, as per stock open interest, Vedanta, Birlasoft, NMDC, Bharat Forge, Coforge and Bajaj Auto got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, India Cement, Bharti Airtel, ICICI General Insurance, Chambal Fertilizers and Ultratech Cement got an increase in open interest with a positive price close indicating the long build-up. About the things to look out, just now Bank of Japan released their lot of macros like retail sales data, foreign investment Japan, etc. So we can expect Asian market to react for that. Honestly, I'm not sure whether it's positive or negative. After that, during our market time, UK's financial stability report, then Europe's business climate, consumer confidence and consumer inflation expectation all are due in the afternoon around 2:30 p.m. And in the night, US GDP data, weekly jobless claims and home sales data are some of the items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, as we discussed earlier, Nifty opened flat and extended its momentum closer to 23,900 for the first time. However, closed at below 23,900. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern for 3 days in a row with increasing volume and with higher high, higher low formation. In addition, momentum indicators RSI and MACD indicating further upside, and at present Nifty is trading above the upper end of the rising channel with positive bias. Considering all, technically we can expect Nifty to hit the 24,000 milestone followed by 24,200 in the coming sessions with support at 23,700 to 23,500 level. However, my inner self is not believing that, so yesterday I took a bear put spread. If anyone interested, please let me know in the comment section. So I will make an explanation video on the logic behind it on the coming Saturday. Anyway, moving on. In case of Bank Nifty, similar to Nifty, it also opened near flat and continued its upward rally. Finally ended at new closing high 52,870. Thus, on the daily chart, Bank Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern with a lower shadow with increasing volumes and with higher high, higher low formation for the second consecutive day. Hence, Bank Nifty also expects to continue its strong momentum, just cautious of the 53,000 mark with immediate strong support at 52,500 to 52,400 level. Regarding the monthly options data, the maximum call option open interest was at 24,000 strike followed by 24,500 and 24,200 with maximum new call option writing at 23,900 strike and then 24,000 and 24,200. Whereas on the put side, the maximum open interest was at 23,000 strike followed by 23,500 and 23,700 with maximum new put option writing at 23,800 strike and then 23,700 and 23,300. Thus, from options data, it's indicated that Nifty is moving towards 24,000 mark with support at 23,700 to 23,500 level. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.